But these are totally different than the Ahlul Hadith in fiqh or Ahlul Zawahir in fiqh. In this regard, we mean the Ahlul Hadith of Ilmul Kalam. The Ahlul Hadith of Ilmul Kalam are Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal, Imam Malik, Sufyan Thawri, Sufyan ibn Uyayna, Imam Awza'i. These are great fuqaha and great imams. So in Ilmul Kalam, they are called as Ahlul Hadith, they are called as Salaf, and they are called Ahlul Zawahir. In fiqh, those people, once again, they are sitting with us when they are using these terminologies. Yes? Got it?
Yeah.
Now you will come to know that why they are using these three terminologies. Salaf, Ahlul Hadith, Ahlul Zawahir. You know what I'm saying? They are using it in fiqh. Actually, this terminology was for these imams in Ilmul Kalam. So they are of the view that the attributes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala may not be given a different meaning. What the lugha and the language say, we should translate it in the same way. Yadullahi fawqa aydihim. The hand of Allah is over their hands. Yes. So yad means hand, and Allah said yadullah. The hand of Allah is over their hand. Ar-Rahmanu ala al-arsh istawa. Rahman rose over the chair. You know what I'm saying? Innahu sami'un basir. He is the hearing one and the knowing one. The seeing one. So we should not explain it in a different way. This concept is called tanzih ma'at tafweez. Tanzih ma'at tafweez means that you translated it, but what the actual shape of yad is, or hand is, or sam'a is, or basar is, it is known to Allah. You should not go further. But Imam Abu al-Hasan al-Ash'ari and Imam Abu Mansur al-Maturidi, they have a different point of view. They say if you will not give it such a meaning which can satisfy the people, so the people, they will be thinking of Allah that He has a hand like that of ours. He has ears like that of ours. He has eyes like that of ours. And they will become mujassima. They will become mujassima. So a ta'wil is must to bring it close to their approach and their aql. So for example, they say that yadullahi fawqa aydihim, yad in human body, hand. That is considered the center of power. Center of power in a sense that most of the work is done by the hands. Yes? So that's why they say yadullahi fawqa. The power of Allah is over their power. Yes? So as Ibn Taymiyyah is the follower of Ahmad ibn Hanbal rahmatullahi alayh, so he is going that way. But al-mu'asaratu aslu al-munafara. Al-mu'asara aslu al-munafara. Living in the same time, that is the base of enmity. A alim in the past time, we give him a due respect. Such and such sheikh, he said like this. If he would have been in our time, or we would have been in his time, so then the situation would have been to, no, he doesn't know that much. You know what I'm saying? So same was the case of Hafiz ibn Taymiyyah. There was a great scholar, another one, Tajuddin al-Sabuki, rahmatullah. He is a great scholar as well. But they had enmity with each other. This is human nature. Yes? And especially when you are in the same field. So raqaba and rivalry is there. If you have a bookstore here, yes, and Sheikh Mansoor will open another one there, then you both will never be friends of each other. You know what I'm saying? If you have a masjid here and you are the imam, and Sheikh Sadullah will open a masjid there on the other block, you will not be the friends of each other. This rivalry in the same field, that's human nature. You cannot control it. Same is the case of ulama. And that's why Badruddin Aini, he has mentioned, maybe as a joke, yes, or seriously, he said, وَلَا تُقْبَلُ شَهَادَةُ الْعَالِمِ عَلَى الْعَالِمِ لِأَنَّهُ حُسَّدٌ. That in a court of law, the testimony of a alim will not be taken against another alim, or imam against another imam, because they have a lot of hasad and jealousy with each other. Yes. So anyhow, the point is that when you have enmity with someone, then you will be twisting his words, only to defeat him and to put him down. So, as Ibn Taymiyyah was of the school of Salaf, and he said it, that yad, that is yad, like this yad of mine, like this hand of mine. So people twisted it, that he is Mujassima. Now you got it? So this is the thing.
So to say Allah has a hakiki hand, is that correct? Hakiki hand?
We don't say. We don't say, because we are Maturidi. We are Maturidi. So we explain that Yadullahi fawqa aydihim, the power of Allah is over their power. Got it? Got it or not?
Yes, yes.
But if they say, that's the mazhab of their imam. But they don't say that he has a hakiki hand. They say that the hand of Allah is over their hand. If you will ask them, so they will say, that is known to Allah. How it is and what is that is. And in this regard, a good sentence is said by Imam Malik, rahmatullahi alayh, when he was asked about the ayah, Ar-Rahmanu ala al-Arsh istawa. So he was from Salaf as well. So he said that Rahman rose over the throne. Rahman rose over the throne. Rose over the throne, the king rose over the throne, that he sat like this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So now Allah sat like this, rose over the throne. So somebody asked him that, Imam, what it means? So what beautifully he said, Al-istiwa'u ma'lumun. As far as the case of rising over, that is the word and that's the lugha. And that's the Arabic language and that's the meaning you know and I know. And I gave you the meaning. Wal kayfiyatu majhula. How was the kayfiyah?